Hi, I'm Brian Hart Hoffman, the editor-in-chief of Bake From Scratch, and also I'm a passionate home baker. These are the 7 essential storage pieces that I recommend for every baker's kitchen, and they're all available in the Hold Everything collection at Williams-Sonoma. Easy baking starts with an organized pantry. Baking calls for a lot of ingredients. These canisters keep everything fresh, visible, and beautifully organized. Revolving spice rack. This is a serious space saver. Keeps all of your spices and extracts right where you need them. Drawer organizers and dividers. Baking requires many tools and organization is the key. Countertop utensil holder. When drawer space is tight, this is a lifesaver. Salt cellar. A pantry essential, full stop. In-drawer knife storage keeps your knife sharp, organized, and out of the way. Pan organizer. Sheet pans and wire racks stored upright clears space and makes grabbing what you need effortless. Available only at Williams-Sonoma.